Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, today I will present about we research. We title classification for optimization accuracy tree-bin using random forest algorithm with Python. I from Department of Informatics Engineering, Muhammadiyah Tangerang University, and now I study in Doctor Program of Information System, School of Postgraduate Studies, Diponegoro University. I am Rohmat Taufik. And Dr. Adi Wibowo from Department of Computer Science, Informatics, Diponegoro University is my lecturer. And Dr. Budi Warsito, Department of Statistics, Faculty Science and Mathematics, Diponegoro University, my lecture too. In introduction, we using 3 points. The first is agriculture is a sector that include food crops, cultivation, dairy farming, fishing, forestry, and other related activity that's promised to grow the economy of the poor. The agriculture sector plays a strategic role in the economic development process of a developing country. The impact of agriculture in developing countries such as India is that agriculture is an important factor for the economy because it's contributed about 17% of GDP and provide employment for more than 60% of the population. In China and Vietnam, like that, yeah, give contribution to this country. The second, there is a variety genetics diversity of dried bean in the world, all of which is one factor influenced by the quality of the seeds. Therefore, seed classification is very important for marketing and production to able to make a sustainable farming system. Controlling the quality of beans includes differentiating different varieties of bean in the batch of beans because the selling price will be influenced by the classification of beans that have been done. Quality of the best seed is the most important problem in trade bean producer and marketing. The random forest method is a development of the GART method where many trees are grown so that they form of forest. Random forests have the advantage of handling a large number of variables and a small number of observation. In addition, it can be used to select the most important feature. The gap obtained from the research question is that until now there are still few studies that have classified red bean sourced from the tree bean dataset using 6 algorithms in one paper. The importance of this research is to classify tree bean datasets using 6 different algorithms. From the graph above, this study aims to provide a solution by classifying red bean using the Python programming language with the random forest algorithm. In addition to using the random forest algorithm as a comparison, the gradient boosting, extra trees, packing, XGB and LGBM classifier algorithm are also used to increase the knowledge gain. Method using collecting data, extract file, preparing processing, what method we use 7 step. The first is data collecting data, extract file, pre-processing, and divide into 2, data training and data testing, model random forest with Python, gradient boosting, extra trees, baking, XGB and LGBM classifier, and the last is research analysis. Each step we use to process data up to finish. The first is collecting data. Collecting data is done by researching for dataset through UCI. The data content image of 13,000 grain of 7 different registered dry bean that were taken with a high resolution camera. A total of 16 feature, 12 dimension, and 4 shape form. The second, exploratory data analysis refer to the critical process of carrying out preliminary investigation on the data to find pattern, to find anomalies, to test hypotheses in inferential statistics, and to check assumption with the help of descriptive statistic and graphical representation. This is a table data normalization result. The result of data normalization have been carried out with the result as shown in this table. The first column contains the number of attribute. Yeah, the first column is number of attribute. Start from area, perimeter, major axis length, minor axis length, aspect ration, eccentricity, convex area, equivalent diameter, up to class. The second column is number of data after normalization, amount to 13,543 with count null. In the third column and the last column is the data type. There are integer, float, and object. Describe the data. We can show like this from column, count, mean, standards. Yeah, mean 25%, 55%, 75%, and max. Five number is import needed dependency for modeling. Drawing import several files such as time, clear model, selection, hard model, hard layers, and after that do a split For the test data, pay 25%, and data training 75%. Number 6 defines the model of random forest classifier. Random forest classifier mark depth 6, mark future, SQRT, mean sample, leaf 3, mean sample, split tens, and estimator 50. After the model is finished, the next step is to test the data and accuracy. Random forest is 91%. And this figure we comparison classifier model, gradient boosting, extractrice, packing, SGP, LGBM, and random forest. The blue line, this name is this is accuracy, and orange lines is trend and test time. For example, in gradient boosting, accuracy 91.91 and trend and test time 40.14. And the last is random forest, accuracy 92.2 and trend and test time 2.6 seconds, yeah, like this. This is a future important is the step from taking important feature and choosing a model and getting a value as shown in figure in the right side of the 16 existing criteria. Shape factor 4 has the highest percentage of influence and is followed by roughness, solidity, and the lower eccentricity. The highest factor is shape factor 4 and the lowest is eccentricity. Conclusion, the data obtained from UCI with the title tray pin datasets consists of image of 13,611 grain of 7 different registered tray pin were taken with a high resolution camera. And 17 attribute: area, perimeter, major axis length, minor axis length, accept, ratio, eccentricity, convex area, equivalent, diameter, extent, solidity, roughness, compactness, shape factor 1, shape factor 2, shape factor 3, shape factor 4, and class. Second, after the classification process using the Python programming language, the random forest model has an accuracy value 92.2 with the trend and test time 2.6 seconds. Of the 17 attributes have a several value of different importance. Shape factor 4 has the highest value, followed by roughness, solidity, extent, compactness, perimeter. Shape factor 1, shape factor 2, accept ratio up to eccentricity. This is my presentation and thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.